Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am sharing with you a few hairstyles that you can do with locks. You can use this whether your hair is crinkled or straight. They're gonna work either ways, but I'm gonna share with you these quick and simple easy hairstyles that you can do on your locks for versatility, so stay tuned. Okay, so the first hairstyle, of course, is what I'm wearing now. As you can see, my hair is crinkled. I recently braided my hair. I had that up in just a simple style for a couple of days, and then I took down the braids, and this is what I have. So, of course, it's very simple. You just take out your braids and you leave your hair hanging. This is one hairstyle. I'll give you a 360. Okay, the next hairstyle is this simple two-part up to half up, half down, or three-part, whatever you want to call it. But it's just part of your hair down, the middle section up, and then the front down. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take some hair on the side, just like that. I'm just going to give that one twist. For this you're gonna need just a few bobby pins, so I'm just gonna give that a twist. I'm gonna secure it with a bobby pin like that. I'm gonna leave the front part of my hair out just a little bit like that. Then I'm gonna take another section and do the same thing, just a twist. And secure that with the bobby pin. Out. And there you have it, the second hairstyle. I'm gonna call it the hairstyle of thirds because you have three different things going on, but this is the hairstyle. I'm gonna give you a 360. The next hairstyle is pretty much the same thing, but we're gonna bring the back of the hair up. So we're gonna separate the hair in two, down the middle. I'm gonna put the band this part, and then I'm gonna separate the half in half, like so. Okay, I have a piece here that I'm gonna try because this here is short, so I'm gonna try to roll that in. You can use rubber bands to secure it, but I'm gonna use a pin for now. Okay, the back thing, I'm gonna do the same. And then I'm just gonna take the hair and do like a quick bun, messy bun. Now you can do one of two things. You can either try to tuck the hair into itself or use bobby pins. So I'm gonna just use a few bobby pins throughout. Out. I like leaving pieces off my hair, but you can do this, you know, the full head. Supposed to be a messy bun, right? But you can tell. Like, can you tell I'm trying to make it clean, like not messy? Okay, I think it's okay. Okay, so this is the third hairstyle. Let me give you a 360. Okay. Okay, so the next one, it's just gonna be a simple half up, half down. So I'm just gonna take a hairband. Do somewhat of a messy bun. Okay, so this is the next hairstyle. As you can see, it's just a half up, half down look, messy bun, and some down. And yeah, it's that simple. All right, let me go ahead and give you a 360. Okay, next style, we're just gonna go ahead and sweep over here to one side. I'm just gonna, okay, so for this hairstyle, you can go at it one of two ways. You can do it as simply as just pushing all the hair to one side, or you can do it inserting flat twists around your hair, whether you want 2 flat twists, 1, whatever, it's your choice. I'm gonna, let's see, maybe I might include some flat twists, and then I'm gonna secure it with bobby pins. Okay, and there you have the look. 360. Alright, so I think I showed you about 5 or 6 different hairstyles that you can use. So in case you were ever in a rut for hairstyles, these are just some quick, simple, very versatile hairstyles that you can do in your locks, whether they're short, medium length, or long locks. They're very quick and very simple, less than 5 minutes to style. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you've not yet already, definitely go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the post notification so you never miss another upload. I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys next time. But until then, be blessed and live life unapologetically.